Okay. Okay, now looking at this, make it how the moon looks when it's coming around.
You just have to do this.
You just have to do that, right?
What do I have to do with the frosting?
Put it on a cookie you're using. You can have it back.
It's better not to lick a knife.
It's better not to lick a knife, right?
And just to put some icing. It's like I'm spreading, making the cookie.
Right. Okay. Can you do that? There you go. Which one's that one? Right. Can you put them in order? Is that one the first one?
Second.
No? Which one goes first?
This one. First then. I'm
Here,
gonna
just
say
take one
this.
of these. All right. Yeah, there you go. First, second, and what's the third one? What did we call that one? That was called the first quarter.
Look, the cookie!
Oh no! All
I don't
right.
want that stuck.
No.
Not a bit is on it. I can put it on a different cookie. Might want to eat these ones.
Sure.
This is upside down.
All right. And where does that one go? And which one's that one called? The first quarter. All right. Let's make the rest of them now.